How to send photos as documents on WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from here. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon. From here, tap on Document. Then, tap on Choose Photo or Video. Here, tap on Manage and then tap on Select More Photos. Select the photos you want to add and tap on Done. Now, select the photos again and tap on Next below. And then, tap on the Send button below. You have now successfully shared this photo as a document. Following these steps, you can easily send photos as documents on WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.